The next exercise is called the dead bug. This is another spinal stability exercise. We're going to start with the easiest version. Again, you're in the same position, arms down by your side. This one, the thing to note is the position of your low back. With all of these exercises, we're going to try to throw the low back out of position. Your job is to position yourself in something called a posterior pelvic tilt, and holding that position throughout every exercise. So you're going to engage trying to roll your hips backward without squeezing your butt. You really want it to feel it in your abdominals. And then from here, while holding this and maintaining regular breath control, I want you to apply a march where your leg comes straight up and down, and you're going to alternate this march just like so. About 8 to 10 times per leg. Never hold your breath. So this is our beginning exercise. The next phase is going to be one leg up and then bringing the other one up. Now this is kind of where it gets tricky, so this is a lot of weight for the low back, so you have to make sure that this is not happening. You have to glue your low back to the floor. Now it's going to be a very similar concept. Now we're going to tap our heel and we're going to come right back up, making sure that your hips and your knees are close to 90 degrees each, alternating a simple march technique. Again, focusing our attention on the midsection, preventing any low back popping up. All right, next phase is going to be a leg all the way out and then all the way back up, and then alternating, again, 8 to 10 reps, just like so. All right, now we have to throw in a little bit of coordination. Now we're going to involve the arms. So now your arms are going to be up here. Assume this same position, and now this is going to take a little bit of the stability out of the picture. So we're going to do that. Again, an 8 to 10 rep range is a good way to start. And then finally, we're going to alternate motion with our arms and our legs using the opposite extremities. So starting in this position, abs engaged, making sure the low back doesn't pop up. We're going to alternate a kick and an arm at the same time, kind of reaching for the far side and then coming back. And this is a true dead bug exercise. This is the most advanced. We're going to go all the way back out and then all the way back up. I would start with a lower rep range here, maybe about 5 times to each side, getting used to this. It'll take some coordination. Sometimes I'll see people kind of bringing their arm down. So just concentrate on opposites only.